Welcome into the channel, guys. This is Eatathomeck Kitchen. Today we're going to be putting together a recipe for an old summertime favorite. This recipe is quick, is easy and simple to make. It does not require a whole lot of ingredients, which is the type of recipe that we all love, right? Yes. So I hope you'll stick around as we prepare the ever popular Dole Whip. As you can see, like I said, it is not a lot of ingredients at all. We're first going to start with pineapple juice. I'll add some ice cream, go in with my frozen pineapple, come in with my sugar, my salt, and my lemon juice. Just that easy. All right, let's go ahead and put this together. Going in with the pineapple, my sugar, pinch of salt, and my lemon juice here is right at 2 teaspoons. So I'm just going to put a drop there. I don't know if you can see that, but I did just a drop. I'm going to go ahead and blend this and see what we get. Let's do it. So guys, before I filled my cup, I decided to taste, and I went ahead and used the remainder of my lemon juice, so that made a full 2 teaspoons that I used, and I added in a little bit more sugar. So all of the ingredients that I use and the amounts will be listed in the description box for you. The heat is really on here today, but we made it through. This is our Dole Whip.